X and Y started a business investing amounts of rupees 1,85,000 and 2,25,000 respectively. If Y share in the profit earned by them is rupees 9,000, what is the total profit earned by them? See, in the previous problem, they have mentioned that they have earned a total profit of 74,500 and you are supposed to calculate the share of A. But here they have given the share of Y, but you are supposed to calculate the total profit earned by them. So, very simple, don't get panic, just you calculate the ratio of their investments. The ratio of their investments are 1,85,000 divided by 2,25,000, 2,25,000. So, 3 zeros will get cancels. So, 185 by 225 both are divisible by 5. So, 5 3s are 15, 3 carry over, 5 7s are 35, 37. Next, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So, the ratio of their profit is 37:45. So, which is nothing but 37 into x and 45 into x is the total profit. 37 into x plus 45 into x is the total profit. Why we have to do this? Already we have discussed in the topic called ratio. In ratio we have discussed these type of problems in detail. Why we have to take x, all those things and all already we have discussed in ratio. So, 37:45, it is nothing but the value is 37x and 45x. This thing we have already discussed in HCF and LCM also, that x is nothing but the HCF. Okay, you remember that one. 37 into x plus 45 into x. They have given the share of y. The share of x is nothing but 37x, the share of y is nothing but 45x. Okay. So, they have given 45x, the value of 45x, that is 9,000, that is 9,000. So, if you solve 9 ones are 9 5s are, so x is equal to 1000 divided by 5, which is equal to 200. 1000 divided by 5, which is equal to 200. But now we have to calculate the total profit earned by them. So, the total profit earned by them will be 37x plus 45x, 37x plus 45x. So, 7 plus 5, 12x, 1 carry, 82x, 82x. So, 82x, 82 into 200, 82 into 200, 82 2s are 164,000, 82 2s are 164 and you write 00 in the right side of 164. So, the total profit earned by them is 16,400. Option B is the right answer. Very simple. They have given the value of y. So, 45x belongs to y. You calculate the value of x. The x is 2000. So, 37x plus 45x will be the total profit earned by them. So, 82x, 82 into 200, which is equal to 16,400. Option B is the right answer for the problem number 3. Let us go to the next problem, problem number 4. A starts a business with rupees 4,000 and B joins him after 3 months. So, after A starts the business, after starting the business, okay, B is joining the business after 3 months of the start with rupees 16,000. Find the ratio of their profits at the end of the year. So, you have to concentrate properly. The time period is different. A is investing for 1 year and B is investing only for 9 months, because after the start of the business, after 3 months he is joining the business, means in 12 months 3 months is already completed, only for the 9 months they are investing. See, A is investing for 1 year, that is nothing but 12 months, and B is joined the business after 3 months, that is nothing but in 12 months, 3 months he was not in the business. So, he is in the business only for 9 months, but his investment is 16,000, which is more than A's investment. A's investment is only 4,000. So find the ratio of their profits at the end of the year. So this type of problem already we have discussed in the introduction part. You simply multiply the time period to their investment. Okay, so A investment 4,000 into time period, that is 12 months, 12 fours are 48. Next, B's investment 16,000, that is for 9 months. So 16 into 9, 1,44,000. So what is the ratio of their investment? Okay, so 48,000 divided by 1,44,000. So 3 zeros will get cancelled. Now you have to calculate the ratio. See here, very simple. The numerator is less than the denominator, so you try to divide the denominator from the numerator. Okay, so 48, the unit digit is 8, here 144, the unit digit is 4. So what number you have to multiply for 8, so that after multiplying the number, the resultant product, what you are going to get, the unit digit of that product number is 4. So 8 threes are 24, okay, 8 eights are 64. If you do for 8 times, 4 8s are 32, it is more than 300. So 48 into 8 is not the feasible one. Go for 3 times, okay, 48 into 3, okay. So do the calculation in your mind itself, 48, okay, in your mind you have to consider it as 40 plus 8 into 3. 40 plus 8 into 3. So 40 into 3, 120, 8 3s are 24. If you add both the things, you will get 144. So this calculation has to be done in your mind. You should not use any paper and pencil to do this calculation, because in this part you can save a lot of time. So 48 3s are 144. So the ratio of their profits after the year will be 1:3. So option A is the right answer. One thing you have to observe here, if the time period, whatever may be the time period, one thing you have to observe, the profits are directly proportional to investments. Profits are directly proportional to investments. As the profit increases, the investment should also increase, otherwise you won't get the profit. See, as investment increases, profits also increases. As investment decreases, profits also decreases. Here conditions are applied. Here they are not speaking anything regarding the market demand, the demand in the market, okay, what is the capacity of their production, those factors doesn't make any impact. Here they speak only regarding the two things, the investments and the profits. If the profit increases, if the investment increases, simultaneously the profit increases, and the vice versa. Both are directly proportional to each other. Let us go to the problem number 5. A starts a business with rupees 9,000 and B joins him after 6 months with an investment of rupees 45,000. What will be the ratio of their profits at the end of the year? Very similar to the previous two problems. Okay, directly you solve. 9,000 rupees is the investment made by A. So 9,000, they are investing for 12 months. So 9,000 into 12. Directly you take the ratio. No need to multiply and no need to divide it by again. Okay, next 45,000. 45,000 into 6 months. Okay, 3 zeros get cancels, 9 ones are 9, 9 fives are 45, 6 twos are 12. So ultimately you are going to end up with the ratio 2:5. Very simple, you are going to end up with the ratio 2:5. Option C is the right answer for the problem number 5. Let us go to the next problem, problem number 6. A and B invest in the ratio of 3:5 respectively. After 6 months, C enters the business with the investment of the capital equal to that of B. What will be the ratio of the profits of A, B and C at the end of the year? So concentrate the problem properly. They have given the ratio of their investments and the different time periods of their investment, but they have not mentioned anywhere the amount what they have invested. But after the end of the year, so they are asking to calculate the ratio of the profits of A, B and C. They have given the ratio of A and B, that is 3:5, they have invested for 1 year. Okay, let us consider any number which is in the ratio of 3:5. I am directly going to calculate the problem in an easy manner. Okay, 3:5 means you take any two number which is in the ratio of 3:5. I am taking 30 and 50. Very simple, 30 and 50. Okay, and C is also investing the amount what invested by B, that is only for 6 months. That is only for 6 months. But these two people are investing for 12 months. These two people are investing for 12 months. So what is the ratio? So the ultimate ratio will be, so 0, 0, 0 cancels, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 twos are. So 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 1 5. So very simple, the answer is 6:10:5. Let me repeat again, 30 rupees and 50 rupees are the two amount I had taken just for the easy calculation purpose. You may take any number which is in the ratio of 3:5. So if you want to do the calculation in a very short period of time, so take simple numbers, okay, 30 and 50, okay, and C is also investing the 50 rupees, okay. So after 6 months they are investing rupees 50 rupees, okay. So 30 rupees for 12 months, 30 into 12, 50 rupees for 12 months, 50 into 12, and 50 rupees invested by C only for 6 months, so 50 into 6. So once you calculate the ratio, you are going to get 6:10:5. So option A is the right answer for the problem number 6. Problem number 7. A, B and C invested capitals in the ratio of 4:6:9. At the end of the business term, they received the profit in the ratio of 2:3:5. Find the ratio of their time for which they contributed their capitals. So here they have mentioned the ratio of their investments and they have mentioned the ratio of their profits, but they have not mentioned the ratio of their time period. The thing is, we have to calculate the ratio of their time period, but we don't know the invested amount, but we know only the ratio of their invested amount. Okay, so one thing we know, in the previous problem itself I had told you, the profit is directly proportional to investment. Profit is directly proportional to investment. In that problem, the time period was same. In that problem, the time period was same. But here, the time period is different. So profit is equal to investment into time period. Okay, profit is equal to investment into time period. If you want to remove this proportionality sign, then you have to multiply it by a constant term. That constant term is called time. Okay, therefore profit is equal to investment into time. So what you have to calculate here? You have to calculate time. Then time is equal to profit by investment. Time is equal to profit by investment. So you have three profits: profit 1, profit 2, profit 3, and you have three investments: investment 1, investment 2, investment 3, and you have to calculate three time periods: time 1, time 2, time 3. So time 1 is equal to P1 by I1. So profit 1 by investment 1. Profit 1 is 2, that is the ratio, and investment 1 is 4, that is the ratio. Next, T2, time period 2 is equal to profit 2 by investment 2. Profit 2 by investment 2, profit 2 is 3 and investment 2 is 6. Investment 2 is 6, and time 3 is equal to profit 3 by investment 3. So profit is 5 and investment is 9. So you got the ratios as 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 5 by 9. 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 5 by 9. This 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 we can further simplify, but 5 by 9 we cannot further simplify. 5 by 9 is the simplified form. Okay, so 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2 and 5 by 9. So the ratios are in fraction, but this fraction has to be converted into the normal ratio. So what you have to do? You take the LCM of the denominators and you multiply to the each ratio. This taking the LCM and multiplying to the each ratio, this procedure already we have discussed in the concept called ratio. So how to calculate the ratio of the fractions? So take LCM and you multiply to the each term. Okay, for 9 and 2 the LCM is 18. Okay, so LCM of 2 and 9 is equal to 18. So you multiply 18 to each term. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 18, next 1 by 2 into 18, next 5 by 9 into 18, 5 by 9 into 18. So 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 9 twos are 18. So 5 into 2 you will get 10. So the ratio of their investment, sorry, time period is 9 is to 9 is to 10. 9 is to 9 is to 10. So here the option E, none of these is the right answer. Okay, so 9 is to 9 is to 10 is the right answer. So profit divided by investment 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 1 by 2 and 5 by 9. So after simplifying this one, 18 is the LCM. So you multiply 18 to each term. So 1 by 2 into 18, 9, 1 by 2 into 18, 9 and 5 by 9 into 18, which is 10. So ultimately you are going to end up with the time period ratios, that is 9 is to 9 is to 10. Answer is E, none of these. Let us go to the next problem, problem number 8.